We're right at our 200 hour and then our elephant baseline here. Both pretty powerful indicators. So this would actually be a time to short. Hey there. Welcome to your daily dose of elephant crypto wisdom for Tuesday, March 15th, 2022. The Ides of March are upon us here. Okay, we're opening with Bitcoin here on the 1 hour chart, and we see it right at resistance. We're kind of opening here for a reason. You see we did pop over. We ran up against our big number to crack, right? Is that 39.7 to 39.8 area we've been talking about. But on the hourly, we're right at our 200 hour and then our elephant baseline here. Both pretty powerful indicators. So this would actually be a time to short. If you really thought there was going to be some big news coming, let's say out of the Fed meeting tomorrow, you could enter a long. Good time to take an option here, long or short as well. But generally you will see some movement right off this level. So kind of an important moment here today. At the moment, it is Tuesday morning on the West Coast here on the United States. But what we're going to see here, I think we see it move back down, but we shall see. So this is when I would enter a short perhaps with a little stop loss above it and take my chances to see if I can capture some of this downside here if we do retest back where we've been recently. So that'd be about $1,000 move or so, give or take. So that is kind of an exciting moment at the time. Let's take a look at this at the daily. Zoom out just a little bit. And we'll probably see the same type of confluence again here in this channel. Again, this white line is the line to crack here lately. That's the 39.7 to 39.8 area. And we will see what happens. But again, we're kind of toward the top of our 1 hour channel, and we'll see how that tests back down. Let's take a look at our total. Trying to climb back in that golden channel that we've talked about recently. Pretty set volume here. Pretty consistent, I mean, so not a whole lot happening. This is sort of a consolidation, coiling before a big move generally. So we will see which way we go here. But again, we are kind of still in lockstep with some of the legacy markets. So we'll see how all the macro world events factor in as they are important. Here's Ethereum. Same idea. Let's take a look at that on the 1 hour and see where that is at our resistance, and looks pretty similar to Bitcoin here, doesn't it? So we're right at the top here, 25, 26-ish. Yeah, 25.96 is our white baseline here. So again, I would expect maybe a retest back down here. To the lower 25s perhaps, and see what happens from there. So we shall see here, but again, this is the 1 hour, and we can see how this has provided some pretty decent resistance here in these past few days. All right, let's take a look back down at Luna. That's been sort of our mover. This is still on the 1 hour here. And you can see that's hopped above it. We did a wick down below it for a quick couple of minutes there. And then back above here. And again, this is sort of really dependent, but this is like a big mover, right? If there's a lot of Luna burning going on right now. They're stocking their coffers with billions of dollars. So they're really ready for the next leg up. So again, I mentioned this as well as Near Protocol, as these are things that are looking to move. The Sandbox also, haven't looked at that in a bit. You can see we've dropped pretty good off our hourly support. We'll take a look at that real quick on the daily. And you can see a lot of convergence here coming up on the sandbox here, right? We're below that, so that's weighing on top of us. So we'll see what happens, but generally kind of around this area, if these continue to converge, again, convergence equals explosive moves either up or down. So we'll see how that tracks out. And then Matic, been following. That has held our trend line a little bit here. Again, we see the convergence, the confluence of indicators here, and would expect something big kind of either way upcoming. But right now we're moving down, so we need that to kind of hold here for the moment. All right, let's take a quick look back at our Bitcoin. And again, these are our levels to watch. We're back on the daily. So this 39.7, 39.8 number, that is our short-term number to crack. And then you can see we have these indicators above the 49,000 here. It's 48.6 right now, 650. That's the 200-day moving average. And we really need to be above that for any really push upwards. So right now we're pushing up into resistance. So best way to trade this is to sort of, if you're going to trade at all, look to short at resistance, and then you're going to be longing down at here support. And again, we'd be more on the hourly chart if we want to sort of trade something like this. But this is our daily update. This is our big picture look. 39.8, 39.7 still is what we want to see if we can get over. And we will go from there. Thanks for tuning in and subscribing. This is Mark, signing off.